would you be willing to share with us the list of what you have gone through in the last month, of the questions that people have been asking in the last little while?
Mark Webb asked me, somebody said there's a Polish play that's going to be done in Philadelphia. And the man says, and the words are, Zusammen, die fun is great. So I told him it's a sure, and where he could get that. This girl asked about the Candy Kid. Eleanor Reese asked about Shlomo Lamalka, the song. From Amora asked about.
What did you tell her about Shlomo Lamalka?
No, she wanted to know when it was, whether it was part of a play, and who wrote it, and when it was published. And about some of the stanzas, there are some stanzas that are off color, you know. They asked about Sprent Briedelach. Someone asked about Oy Mama bin ich verliebt for a chorus. This cantor asked me about the song Light is kind of medicating upon. He just called me before. And this is a song he remembers from when he was 2 years old. And he comes from Palestine. He lived in Palestine. But he remembers his mother singing this song. And he said, nobody knows the song. Sarata, he went to Sarata, he went to Reut, something. And they said, go to Chana Mlotek. And of course I had it. And it tells about this man deserting his wife and going to America. And his wife, his mother, was in Palestine. The father went to America. So now he sees the connection, why she sang it now. Anyway, it's, someone asked about a song from 1886, in Dreisen Blastavint Akalte. And it's the same melody as Meyalp is God Harasavim, the Hebrew song. And I showed that it's the same melody and how they compare. Someone asked about Baruch Lumet. She's writing about Sidney Lumet. She wanted to know about Baruch Lumet.
Wow.
Someone asked about script, Klazman script. Someone asked about Goldfaden. She's doing a program on Goldfaden. And Sophie Karp, who is the first woman actor in Goldfaden Stripper. Someone asked about if there's a habanera in Yiddish. Oh, this is interesting. This doctor asked about the song about the President Arthur's ship. It's a Zion. It was called the Zion ship, and it's 1911, 1925. It's the first Zionist ship that went to Palestine. And they came there in time for the Hebrew University that was opening. And this was the Simon Shmulevich, the one who wrote Abriva Damamin. He wrote this song about the excitement of going on the first Palestine ship. Then they asked about copyrights of poets. Someone asked me about Leonard Bernstein and songs of the Yiddish theater that he might have known about. Someone asked about a Dutch composer. Oh, we got material from a Dutch composer, Hans Krieg. Someone asked me about music, the songs of Jewish peddlers. BKG, Barbara Kirsten, but she's in Poland at the Polish Museum there. So she asked about artifacts about Yiddish in the Ethnographic Committee of the Yeshiva in Vilna. And they asked about songs like Bells, My Yiddish Mama, three inquiries about Schweigmeinhardt, that's the Yablokov song, that they became Nature Boy, right? Yeah. They asked about Polish Yiddish cabaret songs, about synagogue music, of the Bernstein and Aliyah Love collection. They asked about the words of a song in Tomaszewski's film, Mitzvah.
Mitzvah Boy. What was that one? I'm curious.
About Elach Zayin.
Oh, yes.
And then someone asked me to identify some Hasidic songs. So these are just random that I picked out.